entry point. He's on a Jeep. It'll be fine.
Bought my first Jeep in '88. My last payment started in '87. Nature provides way better roller coasters.
Oh, sure. Unexpected.
Some wheels off the ground.
Yeah, you definitely went through that one different than my first time.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, I love this BF Goodrich mud trains. I've been running them on my wife's Jeeps for 20 years. I get 80 to 100,000 miles out of it as long as I rotate them every oil change. That's unheard of for a good mud tire. Flawless traction in the mud, in the sand, in the snow. She runs a 98 XJ on a 2-inch lift with these on it. Just rolled 393,000 miles.
I wouldn't have guessed.
Run a 78 CJ7 on 39s myself.
That's awesome.
Well, they last if you take care of them.
True.
Don't drive them like the commercials. And of course, everybody takes the middle line on this because that's where it's smoothest. So we're going over here on these big jagged ones. Use that 2-foot driving method again. Crunch. Oh, what was that? The skid plate? Oh, that's right. We have those. Yeah, and that's what they're for. Oh. All right. Well, any last minute questions, guys?
No, I'm
thanks,
impressed.
Well, thanks for doing a lap with me. Good luck today.
Most definitely, and thanks for the